Hello everyone. So today let us start chapter number 5 of term 2, Indigo. First of all, the question arises in our mind that what is the meaning of indigo? Indigo is one kind of plant through which we can get blue color. Okay, so indigo is here one kind of plant. The whole story, I can say concept, is based on Gandhi's life. Okay, what he has done in his life. One of the incident here we are having of Gandhi's life. First of all, let us see about the author. The chapter written by Louis Fisher. So about the author, let us see first from where he has taken this chapter. Okay. So Louis Fisher, 1896 to 1970, was born in Philadelphia. He served as a volunteer in the British Army between 1918 and 1920. He was volunteer into the British Army. He has given his service over there as a volunteer. Fisher made a career as a journalist and wrote for the New York Times. New York Times is one kind of newspaper in which he has given his most of articles. The Saturday Review and for European and the Asian publication. These are also the name of famous newspaper or articles where he has given his articles in that. He was also a member of the faculty at Princeton University. He was also a member of the Princeton University. The following is an excerpt. Excerpt means a small part. Means taken from his book, The Life of Mahatma Gandhi. As I have told you, he has given one of the book in which he has written the life about Gandhi. Okay, Gandhi's life he has written. So from that book he has given us one of the incident over here. This book has been reviewed as one of the best books ever written on Gandhi by Times Educational Supplement. Time Education Supplement has decided that from all the books in which all the author or poet whoever mentioned Gandhi, this one is the best book of Gandhi's life. So let us see which incident we have given in this chapter. Let us start the chapter. When I first visited Gandhi in 1942 at his ashram in Sevagram, author said that when he has visited Gandhi's ashram in 1942 in central India, he said, I will tell you how it happened that I decided to urge the departure of the British. It was in 1917. He just telling us about the departure of the British. Now British has to leave India. Okay, leave India movement. Okay, and that was started from 1917. He has told us that incident in this chapter. He had gone to December 1906 annual convention. Here convention means meeting. Annual convention. What does it mean? Here convention means meeting. So he had gone in one of the meeting of Indian National Congress Party in Lucknow. There were 2301 delegates, means persons, members, and many visitors also were there. During the proceeding in this meeting, when the meeting has been started, Gandhi recounted. Recounted means recall. Here, recounted means recall. Even Gandhi has got invitation in this meeting. A peasant came up to me looking like any other peasant in India, poor and emaciated. Emaciated means what? Emaciated means thin. Emaciated means thin. So there were so many peasants also, and the peasants were looking at that person. Means our author say, I am Rajkumar Shukla, the person who is introduced himself, that I am Rajkumar Shukla, I am from Champaran. He has given us one of the character, Rajkumar Shukla. He was from Champaran. And I want you to come to my district. Gandhi had never heard of the place. Rajkumar Shukla told to Gandhi that you would have to visit our district Champaran. Gandhi has never heard about that district before this. And it was in the foothills of the towering Himalayas near the kingdom of Nepal. Near the kingdom of Nepal, this Champaran was situated at the bottom of the Himalaya. Under an ancient arrangement, the Champaran peasants were sharecroppers. Sharecropper means what? The person who are using another person's land and they are growing crops over there. Instead of rent, they would provide crops. उन्हें पैसे नहीं मिलते वहाँ काम करने के, उसके बदले में उसे क्या मिलता है? Crops मिलते हैं. That's why they are calling sharecroppers. So Rajkumar Shukla was one of them. Rajkumar Shukla also was one of them, means he was also a peasant. In that meeting, that peasant who Rajkumar Shukla came to Gandhi and informed or asked him to come to his district Champaran, where so many sharecroppers were there, जहाँ पे बहुत सारे sharecroppers थे. He was illiterate but resolute. He was illiterate. Resolute means he was having mind. He was better understanding. उसे सब कुछ बहुत अच्छे से समझ में आता था. So he had come to the Congress session to complain about the injustice of landlord system in Bihar. He was there in that meeting in Congress party just because he wanted to complain about the landlord, how they have given pain to the farmers. कैसे वो लोग अत्याचार करते थे farmer. And somebody had probably said speak to Gandhi. And at that time, Rajkumar Shukla informed Gandhi that someone told me to talk with you because you are the only person who is solving the problem of many people. Gandhi told Shukla that he had an appointment in Kanpur. Here Kanpur means Kanpur. British pronunciation. According to the British pronunciation, here you have given Kanpur. Kanpur means Kanpur. And was also committed to go to other parts of India. And Gandhi has to move in another parts of India also. He has committed also. And Shukla accompanied means moved with him everywhere. Shukla, here you have written the word or given the word accompanied. Means moved with. Means moved with. So Gandhi told that I will have to move to many of the districts. So if you want me to take in your district, so you would have to follow my path. Then Gandhi returned to his ashram near Ahmedabad. Shukla followed him to the ashram. Shukla also went with Gandhi. For weeks he never left Gandhi's side. कई हफ्तों तक Shukla was with only and only Gandhi ji. He was with Gandhi's path. He was following Gandhi's path also. And after that he begged. He begged means he urged to Gandhi, please give me a fixed date till how much time I can be with you. कब तक मैं आपके साथ घूमता रहूंगा? You just give us the date when you are coming to our place Champaran. So fix a date. Impressed by sharecroppers' tenacity. Tenacity means strong belief. Means strong belief. So here he was literally very strong in his passion to take Gandhi to his district. Since many weeks he has followed Gandhi, and that's why Gandhi was impressed by that Shukla, means peasant, and that's why I have to be in Calcutta on such and such a day. He has given such and such date to that peasant, means to Rajkumar Shukla, and come and meet me and take me from there. Gandhi informed that I will be there in nearby your district. So such and such date Gandhi has given to Rajkumar Shukla and informed him that whenever I will be there, you just come with me, you just come to me and take me from there. और आप मुझे वहाँ से लेके जाना. Months passed, काफी सारे months बीत गए. Shukla was sitting on his haunches at the appointed spot in Calcutta when Gandhi arrived. So when Gandhi arrived in Calcutta, he was sitting on his haunches. Haunches means the position to sit. You can see in this picture. After then, he waited till Gandhi was free. He was sitting over there till Gandhi became free. Then the two of them boarded a train for the city of Patna in Bihar. Finally, the peasant and the Gandhi taken the train to Patna, which one is in Bihar. There Shukla led him to the house of the lawyer named Rajendra Prasad, who later became president of the Congress Party and of India. Then Shukla took Gandhi to the house of one of the lawyer named Rajendra Prasad, who became the president of Congress Party as well as of India. जो कांग्रेस पार्टी के भी प्रेसिडेंट थे और इंडिया के भी. Rajendra Prasad was out of town at that time when they both went to Rajendra Prasad house. He was not there. He was out of the town. But the servants knew Shukla as a poor yeoman who pestered their master to help the indigo sharecroppers. Here the word pestered means annoy. So when Shukla was there at the house of lawyer with Gandhi, Shukla was not there, but Shukla's servant was there, and servant very nicely knowing this person, which person? Rajkumar Shukla. At that time the servant knows that this person is literally pestered our master. Which master? Rajendra Prasad. कि यही बंदा है, यही जो peasant है जो हमारे मास्टर को बहुत परेशान करता है sharecroppers को लेकर. And then so they let him stay on the ground with his companion, and the means peasant, Gandhi and all the sharecroppers were there. They were sitting over there and they are waiting for Rajendra Prasad. Gandhi wanted to be another peasant. Gandhi was with him. So servant believed that Gandhi was also a peasant, but Gandhi was not permitted to draw water from the well lest some drops from his bucket pollute the entire source. At that time, nearby one well is there. Gandhi was not allowed to take out the water from the well. Priorly, in ancient times, untouchability system is there. Untouchability means गरीब जो है वो कोई चीज छू नहीं सकता अमीरों की. अगर उसने वो चीज छू ली, then the thing will be the untouchable. वो चीज अपवित्र हो जाएगी. That belief they have taken and they have kept with them. So Gandhi was not allowed to take water from the bucket. It will pollute the entire source. पूरा well जो है वो गंदा हो जाएगा, क्योंकि वो servant जो है उसको क्या मानता था? Peasant. How did they know that he was not an untouchable? But servant, how did they know? Because Gandhi was with farmer. Gandhi भी farmers के साथ ही आए थे. तो servant को कैसे पता चलता कि ये तो गरीब नहीं है, ये तो बहुत बड़ी हस्ती है. Okay, so he did not know about Gandhi. Gandhi decided to go first to Muzaffarpur. After then, the very next day, he decided to move to Muzaffarpur, which was en route to Champaran. En route here, the word is on the way to. Now finally Gandhi has decided to move to Champaran to obtain more complete information about conditions that Shukla was capable of imparting. Whatever the complaint Shukla was having, to solve that problems, to want to know about more and more problems, Gandhi was moving to Champaran. He accordingly sent a telegram to Professor J.B. Kriplani. Finally Gandhi has sent one message or telegram to Professor J.B. Kriplani of the Arts College in Muzaffarpur, where he known one of the person. Gandhi वहाँ जानते थे कृपलानी को, whom he had seen at Tagore Shantiniketan school. And finally Gandhi met him at the Tagore Shantiniketan school, The train arrived at midnight. Finally, they both reached Champaran by midnight, 15 April 1970. On this day, they finally reached to Champaran. Kripalani was waiting at the station with a large body of students. As Kripalani was a professor, so he was on the station with so many students to welcome Gandhi over there. Gandhi stayed there for 2 days in the home of Professor Malkani. Gandhi was stayed at the house of one of the another professor named Malkani. Malkani के घर पे वो रुके 2 दिन. A teacher in a government school. Who was a teacher in a government school? It was an extraordinary thing in those days. Gandhi commented for a government professor to harbor a man like me. In those days, look at the professor who helped Gandhi a lot. So Gandhi loved that thing. And in a smaller localities, the Indians were afraid to show sympathy for advocates of home rule. In a local means we can say that Gandhi was giving so much facility over there. As they know Gandhi's position, the person he knows, गांधी को वो जानते थे, लेकिन वहाँ पे लोग सिंपैथी ज़्यादा नहीं दिखाते थे, just because they believe in home rule. Home rule means स्वराज्य में believe करते थे. So here Gandhi finally started to do something good for sharecropper. Now he wanted to collect more and more information from the sharecroppers. The news of Gandhi's advent, here advent means arrival. Here advent means arrival. The news spread very quickly that Gandhi came to Champaran, and of the nature of his mission means purpose. Nature of the mission is purpose. Spread quickly through Muzaffarpur. For what Gandhi came there, all the people are knowing now. And Muzaffarpur and to the Champaran. Sharecropper from Champaran began arriving on foot. Finally, the sharecroppers moving to Gandhi, and by conveyance means transfer to see their champion. Finally, they believed that Gandhi will do something for us. So they are having such kind of hope from Gandhi. Muzaffarpur lawyer called on Gandhi to brief him. Muzaffar lawyers called on means मुजफ्फर के जो भी lawyers थे उन्होंने गांधी जी ने उनको बुलाया for explain all the thing brief. They frequently represented peasants group in a court. कोर्ट में represent का जो पूरा group था, whatever they are having complaint, they are there to tell their complaint into the court, and they finally started their case. But they told him about their cases and reported the size of their fees. Whatever the lawyers are now getting information from the peasants, first before starting the case, they are telling their fees to the peasant. केस अभी स्टार्ट भी नहीं हुआ, उससे पहले तो वो अपनी फीस बताना चालू कर देते हैं. These are the lawyers of that place, Muzaffarpur. So finally, now what Gandhi will do into the next part, we will see. Finally, Gandhi was with peasants. He was the champion, he was the leader, and all the peasants are now followed Gandhi. And peasants are having hope that Gandhi will do something good for us. Now the next story we will see into the part 2. Till then you just refer this video, whatever the confusion you are having, we will solve into the live session. Thank you.